Are you planning to learn any programming language in 2025 but confused about which programming language to choose? So this video is for you, and we will make sure that your confusion in choosing any programming language gets clear in this video. So please hit the subscribe button and like button for the next people to arrive this video and get a most viewed video, because it is a growth time of this channel. So the first programming language that I should prefer in number one is Python. Python is very beginner friendly language that is used in data science, AI and automation. So Python is very suitable for you because you are starting out with a programming language, and it is very beginner friendly programming language in this whole programming world, and it is widely used by the beginners in starting because its syntax is very low, and you can easily master this Python in two or three or four more than 4 months of daily practice and routine study. The second is JavaScript. JavaScript is the king of web development because it is natively used in browser, and thing that I would like to share is JavaScript is number one programming language in this whole industry of web development. And if you are going to develop a large scale of web development, and if you are taking any course on the web development, you should choose JavaScript because it is very demanding in the market. And frameworks which type of programming language have the best frameworks in the world. That the framework of JavaScript is Angular, React, Node.js. JavaScript is huge demand in the market, and today choosing JavaScript is the best decision for beginners to get a job in the web development or a full stack web development. My third choice would be Java. Java is still one of the reliable and very, like every developer in the Android app development use Java for their projects. It is widely used in applications like Android applications, making any like dashboards applications, Android app development, enterprise applications and backend systems. Big companies like TCS, Infosys search for Java developers, and it is widely used in DSA. And if you are aiming for DSA and software engineering, so I must say that you should choose Java as your first programming language. But Java is little bit harder than Python, and you have to give time to the Java. Then you will understand the basic syntax and variables and like all the concepts of the Java programming language. My next choice is C++. Why I am saying there in fourth of the languages, like C++ are language that teach you how computers actually work. They are used in making games, platforms or desktop apps, programmings, operating systems, game developments, and essential for cracking coding rounds in tech interviews. If you are preparing for placement or competitive coding, don't skip C++. And if you are a person or a student who is regularly giving all the hackathons of the college and state level hackathons or a company suggested hackathons, so you should always choose C++, because in competitive programming there is called a narrative that C++ is widely used by the developers or by the hackathons winners to run their code efficiently. And in this programming language you have to give time. 1 year is perfect to master C++, but your experience will tell you that how much you love any programming language. So my fifth programming language suggestion is like Go and TypeScript. At number 5, it's tie between Go and TypeScript. Go developed by Google, that the programming language is called Golang, and TypeScript. So Go developed by Google is super fast and great for backend and cloud native development. It is getting popularity very quickly. TypeScript is not other than modern version of JavaScript. It is safer and scalable program to build a large scale of web applications. These 5 programming language is going to boom in next decade. So I have suggested you 5 programming language, but I have conclusion to say that so these were 5 programming languages to learn in 2025. Now it is your turn that which language will you start in 2025 to learn to start coding. Comment below and let me know that how you love this video, and please, if you want a full laptop roadmap of any subject, so comment below. I will research and give you the best idea to what to do, what not to do in your future. So let me be your life guru or career guru or bhai. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for next update or next video that I will post in this YouTube. Be my student, and being my student is like getting all confusions clear. I will post programming languages tutorials and programming language syntax and all the things that every beginners. I am beginner in teaching, so I will make sure that you have to gain all the knowledge that I have, and all the research, all the what I say nichod, all the nichod of my research and all the result of my research. I will give it that to you by this video, by this channel. So thank you so much for being here. Love you all. Thank you.